Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to summarize Moby Dick or the Whale by Herman Melville. Chapters 75 to 88. Chapter 75, The Right Whale's Head, Contrasted View. Continuing from the previous chapter, Ishmael contrasts the head of the right whale with that of the sperm whale. He describes the differences in size, shape, and composition, highlighting the unique characteristics of each species. Ishmael reflects on the contrasting qualities and uses of these whale heads, further deepening the reader's understanding of the diverse and fascinating world of whaling. Chapter 76, The Battering Ram. Ishmael explores the formidable physical attributes of the sperm whale, particularly its massive head, which is used as a battering ram during conflicts with other whales or potential threats. He delves into the ways in which the sperm whale's head serves as a weapon and a means of defense, showcasing the immense strength and resilience of these creatures. The chapter underscores the primal and savage nature of the marine world and the survival instincts that drive its inhabitants. Chapter 77, The Great Heidelberg Tun. Ishmael recounts the story of a massive tun, or cask, known as the Heidelberg Tun. The tun serves as a symbol of abundance, excess, and the allure of wealth in the whaling industry. Ishmael reflects on the pursuit of fortune and the dangers of succumbing to greed and materialism. The story of the Heidelberg Tun serves as a cautionary tale, reminding the sailors of the risks and consequences that accompany the relentless quest for profit. Chapter 78, Cistern and Buckets. Ishmael explores the practical aspects of collecting and storing fresh water aboard a whaling ship. He describes the ship's cistern and the various methods used to obtain and preserve this vital resource. Ishmael reflects on the scarcity and value of water in the maritime environment, underscoring the sailors' dependence on careful management and conservation. The chapter serves as a reminder of the constant challenges and necessities of survival in the isolated world of the ship. Chapter 79, The Prairie. Ishmael compares the vastness and solitude of the ocean to the expansive landscapes of the prairie. He draws parallels between the open horizons, the sense of freedom, and the isolation experienced in both environments. Ishmael contemplates the awe-inspiring grandeur of the maritime and terrestrial worlds, recognizing the inherent beauty and power of nature in its various manifestations. The chapter invites contemplation of the interconnectedness and interplay between land and sea. Chapter 80, The Nut. Ishmael reflects on the significance of the coconut, or nut, in the maritime world. He describes the practical uses of coconuts aboard a whaling ship, such as a source of sustenance, fresh water, and material for various purposes. Ishmael contemplates the resilience and adaptability of the coconut tree, highlighting its ability to thrive in diverse environments. The chapter serves as a reminder of the resourcefulness and ingenuity required to survive and flourish in the maritime realm. Chapter 81, The Pequod Meets the Virgin. The Pequod encounters another whaling ship, the Virgin, on its voyage. Ishmael describes the interactions and exchanges between the crews, highlighting the camaraderie and mutual support that exist within the whaling community. He reflects on the shared experiences and common challenges faced by the sailors, fostering a sense of unity and solidarity. The chapter serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness and interdependence of those who navigate the treacherous waters in pursuit of whales. Chapter 82, The Honor and Glory of Whaling. Ishmael contemplates the honor and glory associated with the whaling profession. He reflects on the societal perceptions and romanticized notions surrounding whalers, as well as the dangers, sacrifices, and hardships they endure. Ishmael delves into the complexities of pride, reputation, and the pursuit of greatness that shape the sailors' lives. The chapter invites reflection on the multifaceted nature of honor and the sacrifices that come with the quest for recognition and achievement. Chapter 83, Jonah Historically Regarded. Ishmael delves into the biblical story of Jonah, drawing parallels between the biblical figure and the sailor's experiences at sea. He reflects on the themes of divine intervention, disobedience, and redemption that resonate throughout the narrative. Ishmael contemplates the symbolic significance of Jonah as a figure of defiance, repentance, and ultimate salvation, adding a spiritual dimension to the maritime journey and the sailor's search for meaning and purpose. Chapter 84, Pitch Poling. Ishmael describes the dangerous and daring technique of pitch poling, where a harpooned whale is driven to the point of exhaustion before being finished off with a final thrust of the lance. He recounts the intense physical and psychological challenges faced by the sailors during this perilous maneuver. The chapter captures the intensity and high stakes of the whaling enterprise, highlighting the sailors' courage, skill, and resolve in the face of formidable adversaries. Chapter 85, The Fountain. Ishmael reflects on the profound and mysterious presence of water in the maritime world. He contemplates the symbolism of the fountain, representing both life-giving sustenance and the eternal source of existence. Ishmael delves into the themes of abundance, renewal, and the cyclical nature of life as he explores the diverse manifestations of water in the marine environment. The chapter invites contemplation of the elemental forces that shape the sailors' lives and their connection to the universal cycle of creation and destruction. Chapter 86, The Tale. Ishmael examines the powerful and awe-inspiring tale of the sperm whale, known for its immense strength and agility. He delves into the unique anatomy and functions of the tail, highlighting its crucial role in the whale's locomotion and defense. Ishmael reflects on the awe-inspiring qualities of this appendage, underscoring the remarkable adaptations and abilities of these majestic creatures. The chapter deepens the reader's appreciation for the complexities and marvels of the natural world. Chapter 87, The Grand Armada. Ishmael recounts the astonishing sight of a vast gathering of whales, known as a Grand Armada, in the open ocean. He describes the multitude of whales and the chaotic yet harmonious movements of these enormous creatures. Ishmael reflects on the humbling and transcendent experience of witnessing such a spectacle, underscoring the unfathomable scale and diversity of marine life. The chapter serves as a reminder of the sailor's place in a vast and interconnected ecosystem. Chapter 88, Schools and Schoolmasters. Ishmael explores the social dynamics and behaviors of whale schools, groups of whales that travel and feed together. He examines the hierarchical structure and the roles of individual whales within the school. Ishmael reflects on the intelligence, cooperation, and the instinctual patterns that govern the behavior of these marine mammals. The chapter deepens the reader's understanding of the intricate social fabric and ecological interdependencies that characterize the lives of whales. Thanks for watching. To read the full version of the book, click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for similar content.